Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make vegetable omelette. So let's get started. These are our vegetables and we are going to cut them and set aside. We'll start by cutting the spinach, the cabbage, the bell pepper, carrot and onions. Now our vegetables are ready. Let's set a frying pan on a medium heat and add some oil. Add the vegetables in it and stir for 3 minutes. Add a teaspoon of black pepper and a salt to taste. Now our vegetables are now sauteing. Pour it into a bowl and add a tablespoon of flour. Then we mix. Add 3 eggs. Mix it very well. Put a saucepan on a medium heat and add some oil. Then we pour the mixture into it. Make sure the mixture is well leveled up. Then we cover it for 3 minutes. Now turn it upside down to make sure the other side is well cooked. Wow. Slowly, make sure it wouldn't break. Wow. Then we cover it again for another 3 minutes. Now our vegetable omelette is ready. Wow, yummy! It can be served with breakfast or any food of your choice. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.